ask a couple more questions about F-35s. There have been many members that have asked about it, and I appreciate your response to Senator Leahy about where we are with addressing the problems, and your view that really nothing should stand in the way of the initial operating capacity, that you sound pretty confident that the problems have been fixed. So the question here this morning is, as it relates more specific to the F-35s that Air Force has selected Eielson shall receive as the sole preferred location for the first of the 2 squadrons. We're still waiting for the completion of the NEPA review and the issuance of the record of decision. What's the timetable here for commencement of the NEPA, and when might we expect the ROD to be issued?
I think that the NEPA effort will begin here in the very near future. It's about a 1-year process. We anticipate that early in 2016, the results will all come back to the Secretary to make the final basing decision.
And then in terms of when we might actually anticipate seeing these 2 squadrons at Eielson, when do you figure that is?
Senator, I don't remember the actual arrival date of the first airplane. I want to say 2019. Let me find out. I'll get back to you. I just don't remember.
That would be appreciated.
The only issue that would affect, by the way, we talked about IOC. What we didn't talk about is the FOC date, which is in 2021. And for the Air Chief, the real important date is 2021. It's when do we get full operational capability of this aircraft. We're not supposed to have the full operational capability when it appears at the end of next year. It will have operational capability, but the things that are being discussed in the press and elsewhere are things that we've known it wouldn't be able to do. It's been part of the plan the entire time. And so full development of that capability will come at full operational capability and then with follow-on software loads. So the biggest hurdle to get over between now and then in 2021 that could affect basing beyond the training bases is this maintenance manpower issue. This is a real issue for us. We have got to figure out how to create trained maintainers from the experienced maintenance force and the rest of the Air Force to bed down F-35 units. We've got a short-term solution in place that we think will let us get to IOC, but we need the longer-term solution, which is going to require finding maintenance manpower from other aircraft systems in the Air Force.
Understood. And if there's any change with that 2019 date, if you could confirm with us, I'd appreciate it.